Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use brick acid cleaner safely and effectively. First, safety is paramount. Always wear personal protective equipment like gloves, eye protection, and a respirator. Make sure your work area is very well ventilated. Before applying any cleaner, protect surrounding plants and surfaces with plastic sheeting. Finally, pre-wet the brick surface thoroughly with water. This prevents the acid from soaking in too deeply. Now, let's talk about mixing and application. It is crucial to dilute the brick acid cleaner precisely as the manufacturer recommends. A common ratio is 1 part acid to 10 parts water. Remember, always add the acid slowly into the water, never water into the acid, to avoid dangerous splashes. Apply this diluted solution evenly to a small, manageable section of your brickwork using a sturdy, non-metallic brush. Once applied, it is time to scrub and rinse. Vigorously scrub the treated area with a stiff bristled brush to effectively remove stains and efflorescence. It is very important not to let the acid solution dry on the brick surface, as this can cause permanent etching. After scrubbing, rinse the area thoroughly with a high-pressure washer or a strong garden hose until all acid residue is completely gone from the brickwork. Finally, let's cover post-cleaning and best practices. After rinsing, inspect the cleaned area for any missed spots. You can reapply the acid solution if needed. Allow the brickwork to dry completely before considering any sealants. Always store unused acid cleaner in its original container in a cool, dry, and secure location, away from children and pets. Remember to always test the cleaner on a small, inconspicuous area first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.